So many of you have been asking me what have I learned from cycling. And I'm gonna tell you 3 quick actual lessons I learned from cycling. I mean, first of all, that every effort gets a result, whether it's the result you want it or not. That depends entirely up to life, not to you. But that's one thing I learned from cycling. Every effort has an outcome, and the more you give yourself into doing the actual effort of something you actually thought you had to do, the better the outcome. Second lesson I learned, everything in life that is worth having takes time. I mean, look at this view, I'm gonna show you right now. The view is pretty much amazing, and it evidently takes time. Everything in life takes time. I mean, to get the view, you gotta put in the effort. That would be second lesson that actually cycling has shown me. And the third lesson, and I would say the most important lesson, is to be patient. Even if you do not get what you want in life, be patient. Enjoy life. Enjoy the view. Remember, many people that have gone down that hill have told you that once you get there,